We all know safety is a top priority. Companies create policies, procedures, hours of training. Yet accidents do happen.
So how's the wife coming along with the baby?
Yeah, she's due any day now.
Man, that's exciting news. You ready for it?
I'm looking forward to it.
Hey, by the way, I need you to check out that compressor. It's acting up again, man.
All right, I can do that. Hey, babe. Oh my God, the baby's coming? I'm on my way. I gotta go to the hospital. My wife's having a baby.
Hi, Max. Hey, Steve. Can I go ahead and get you to finish up where Duncan left off? He had to leave for an emergency. The power's already down on the unit.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, the baby's coming? I'm on my way.
Making the decision to install the safety switch shield on your power disconnects can help prevent accidents in those critical moments. If you're interested in protecting your equipment, go to safetyswitchshield.com to connect with our national distributors and make a purchase today.